Hello, Humboldt. So I've been waiting for my silver belly to come in the mail. Here it is. So we'll unveil it. Sorry about my camera work, one-handed deal. I've been waiting for this to come all the way from France. Took I think it's been like 3 weeks. I've been waiting for it to come. So, as you can imagine, I've been anticipating it. The post office made me sign for it and everything because it was pretty expensive. Bubble wrap. Oh yeah, there's multiple hats in here. Dave, will you hold this? My friend Dave is holding my camera work here. Apparently I ordered 2. These are pre-pounced. They've already got the stiffener in them. So really all I got to do is put some steam to them and form them out, get them down to the right size. It's a nice color, chocolate brown. This is the one I've been waiting for, the silver belly. It's going to be my dress hat. Oh, there was a band in there too. Yeah, look at that color. Isn't that pretty? Nice. That's super exciting. Super exciting. Doesn't fit yet, but it will. Thanks, Dave. Yeah, cool. This is super excited about that. I totally forgot I ordered the brown one. It's like a chocolate color, I think is what they called it. Anyhow, I'll have some videos later showing the finished project. I'm blown out. Okay, so super satisfied with the new felts that I got, and I already made one. I have a nice looking hat out of it. This is camel red, as they call it. So I put a Gus shape on it, pretty wide one, coffin top. Kind of like my other hat. Turned out super nice. Felt body is wonderfully thick. The silver body I got, I am still trying to decide what I want to do with it. It's going to be my nice hat, be my dress hat. So pretty killer. Little draw down in the front, little duck bill on the back. And my autograph, so you know who made it, baby. I'm blown out. Thanks for watching, guys.